Hello all, I am Dr. Pravas. In today's class, we will discuss about SR conflict, SR conflict, SR conflict in bottom-up parser. So what is the meaning of SR conflict in bottom-up parser? So we have already discussed about the bottom-up parser in the previous class. Okay, now in today's class, we'll discuss about the SR conflict. What is the meaning of SR conflict in bottom-up parser? Okay, so here SR means the fastest. Here SR means the fastest. Fastest means shift. Fastest means shift. What is the meaning of R? R means reduce. R means reduce. Okay. Shift and reduce. Shift SR conflict or shift reduce conflict means what? At a time, both actions are possible. Actually, at a time, either shift action is possible or reduce action will be possible. But in this, it is a situation like this. At a time, both means actions are possible. Means shift action is also possible as well as reduce action is possible. So, what is the meaning of SR conflict? We'll try to understand with the help of this example. How many number of shift and reduce actions? How many number of shift and reduce actions? How many number of shift and reduce actions are taken by the bottom-up parser? How many number of shift and reduce actions are taken by the bottom-up parser for the following input string? Here input string is here. For the following input string A, B, B, C, D, E. This is the input string and given grammar. Here is the given grammar. S to A, B, A to A, B, C slash B and B to D. Okay. Now we'll construct the bottom-up parser. Okay. How to see? We have already discussed in the previous classes. Previous class means what is the meaning of bottom parser and how many number of shift and reduce actions are taken by the bottom-up parsers. We have already discussed in the previous class. Okay. See. Stack. This is input buffer. Input buffer. Stack. This is input buffer. And then action. Then action. Okay. So initial stack contains dollar. Initial stack contains dollar. Input buffer contains the input string what? A, B, B, C, D, E, dollar. At the initial stage, stack only contains dollar and input buffer only contains the input string A, B, B, C, D. Okay. What is the fast action is always shift action. The fast action is always shift action. The fast action is always shift action. So now we'll shift the first element of input buffer means dollar. This is A, B, B, C, D, E, dollar. Okay. Now we'll check. Is there any handle is possible? Is there any handle is possible? See, there is no handle is possible. There is no handle is possible. So now we'll again shift. So dollar A, B, dollar A, B, then B, C, D, E, dollar. Now we'll check. Is there any handle is possible? Yes. One handle is possible. This B. This P. A to B. We can see here A to B handle is possible. Since A to B handle is possible, so we'll handle what? Reduce. Reduce by A. Reduce by A to B. Reduce by A to B. See, dollar A, then B. B means here A, then B, C, D, E, dollar. Okay. So now we'll again shift. Now we'll again shift. So dollar A, B, then C, D, E, dollar. Now we'll check, is there any handle is possible? Yes, we can handle this B. We can handle this B, A to B. So reduce by A to B. Okay. So this is dollar A, then C, D, E, dollar. Okay. Now we'll again shift this C, shift dollar A, C, then D, E, dollar. Is there a handle is possible? No. Then we'll again shift dollar A, C, D, E, dollar. Is there any handle is possible? D, S, one handle is possible, B to D. So we can reduce. See, this D is possible. This D is possible to handle. So reduce by B to D. B to D, then dollar A, C, then B, then E, dollar. Is there any handle is possible? No handle. Then we'll shift again. Shift. So dollar A, C, B, E, dollar. Okay. So is there any handle is possible? No. There is no handle is possible. So this is the error action. This is called error action. Okay. So now we'll see. Now we'll see again. Again, I'll do this problem. Now we'll again do this problem. Okay. What happens here? Simply write this grammar. Simply write this grammar again. But H2 A, B, E, A2 A, B, C class B, then B2 D. Try to understand what is the meaning of SR conflict. Try to understand. Stack input buffer and action. Right? Stack initial contents dollar. Input buffer, here input buffer is A, B, C, D, E, dollar. Okay, initially stack contains dollar and input buffer contains the input string. So the first action is here shift. First action is shift. So dollar A, B, C, D, E, dollar. Okay, is there any handle is possible? No handle is possible. Then again shift. So dollar A, B, then B, C, D E dollar. Is there any handle is possible? Yes, one handle is possible. A to B. This one is handle is possible. So this is reduced by what? A to B. A to B. Dollar A B C D E dollar. Okay, this is B. Now, is there any handle is possible? No. Will shift again. Will shift dollar A, then B, C, D, E dollar. Is there any handle is possible? Yes. Here handle is possible, but we don't handle. But here handle is possible, but we don't handle. We will not handle. Here we will not handle. See, in the previous case, we have handle. Here in the previous case, we have handle means we consider reduce action here. We consider the reduce action here. After considering the reduce action, we'll get the error function. We'll get the error action. So now if I will not reduce, so see what happens. See what happens. So now I will not reduce. So I will not reduce. So then again I shift. So dollar A, B, then C, then D, E dollar. Check. Is there any handle is possible? Yes, one handle is possible. A, B, C, A2, A2, ABC is possible. One handle is possible. So now I'll write now we'll reduce by what? A2 ABC, A2 A B C. So then dollar A, ABC means A. So this is D dollar. Okay. Now is there any handle is possible? No. Then I'll shift. So dollar A, then D, then E dollar. Is there any handle is possible? See, this handle is possible D here. So E dollar, then reduce by B to D. So this is dollar A, then B, then E dollar. Is there any handle is possible? No. Then we'll shift again. Dollar A, B, then E dollar. Is there any handle is possible? Yes. This is one handle is possible. So then reduce by what? S2 A P E. So here this is dollar S dollar, then it is accept action. Just try to understand. Just try to understand what is the meaning of SR conflict. Here, if I'll consider in this case accept action, if I'll consider here, sorry, shift action. If I'll consider shift action here, then it is accept. But in the upper case, if I'll consider, see, in the upper case, if I'll consider here reduce action, this is error. If I'll consider it is shift action, it is accept action. So this is the called as this situation. This situation is called as SR conflict. SR conflict. This situation is called as SR conflict. Means shift reduce conflict. Means the parser will confuse. Parser will confuse. Either the parser will consider the shift action or reduce action. If the parser will consider reduce action, the action means action, then the string is rejected by the parser. Then the string is rejected by the parser. If parser considers here shift action, then the string is accepted by the bottom of parser. So here that's why the parser will confuse. Either the parser will take or consider shift action or reduce action. So this situation is called as SR conflict or shift reduce conflict. Okay. So what is the meaning of SR conflict? Try to understand. SR conflict. SR conflict. It is a situation. SR conflict means it is a situation in which shift action is possible. It is a situation in which shift action is possible. See, shift action is possible and reduce action is also possible. It is a situation in which shift action is possible and reduce action is also possible. Then the parser will confuse. Which actions to perform. Okay, we have already discussed about the SR conflict, and one more conflict is there. This is called RR conflict. RR conflict means first R means reduce. We can write reduce slash or reduce conflict. We can reduce conflict, or we can write reduce conflict. Similarly, it is a situation in which both reduce actions are possible. Means at a time reduce action is possible and also one reduce. If I'll consider the first reduce action, then the string is rejected by the bottom of parser. If we will consider the second reduce action, then the parser will then the string will rejected by the bottom of parser. That means what? For example, say suppose A has multiple productions like A, like B, like C. A, B, C. Okay. So A has three productions. And one more production is like B to B. One more production is like B to B. Means here A contains also B and B also contains B. That means we can face either we can handle A to B, either we can handle A to B, or we can handle by using the production like B to B. So in this situation, RR conflict will happen. Okay. So then we will minimize this SR conflict, means shift reduce conflict, or RR conflict, or reduce conflict by using LR parser. So in the next class, we'll discuss about the ALR parser. What is the meaning of ALR parser? Okay, thanks for watching.